Are you tired of cooking burgers that taste like they were boiled in a pan, but overwhelmed by the sheer number of Blackstone griddles on the market? Today, I'm cutting through the smoke to reveal which flat-top grill actually deserves a spot on your patio. In this video, I'm ranking the top 5 Blackstone griddles from worst to first. Stick around until the end, because my number 1 pick has a brand new feature that completely changes the flat-top game forever. 5. Blackstone E-Series Griddle. When I first brought the 22-inch Blackstone E-Series griddle into my testing area, I was genuinely intrigued by the idea of an electric flat top. The promise of being able to griddle indoors, on an apartment balcony, or inside a closed garage without worrying about carbon monoxide or running out of propane is highly appealing. The setup was incredibly simple, and rolling the included prep cart around my patio was practically effortless. I immediately appreciated the clean, sleek look of the digital dial and the glass hood, which gives it a much more modern appliance vibe compared to traditional gas griddles. However, once I started putting this machine through its paces, the reality of electric griddling quickly set in. The cooking surface is made of a ceramic titanium non-stick material rather than the traditional cold-rolled steel Blackstone is famous for. While this means you do not have to go through the arduous process of seasoning the surface, it also means you absolutely cannot use metal spatulas, scrapers, or tongs. For me, half the joy of cooking on a Blackstone is the aggressive chopping and scraping with heavy-duty metal tools. Having to gently push my food around with silicone or wooden utensils felt incredibly limiting and frankly stripped away a lot of the authentic diner experience. Cooking performance was another area where I found myself a bit frustrated during my testing. The E-Series handles eggs, pancakes, and delicate vegetables beautifully, offering a very consistent, gentle heat. But when I attempted to get a hard, crusty sear on a batch of smashed burgers, the electric heating element simply could not keep up with the cold meat hitting the surface. 4. Blackstone Original Outdoor Griddle. Moving up the list, we have the Blackstone Original Outdoor Griddle equipped with their newer Omnivore griddle plate. I spent a solid 3 weeks using this as my primary outdoor cooker, and the 28-inch footprint sits in an interesting middle ground. It is significantly larger than the portable models, giving you a very respectable amount of cooking space. Yet it doesn't dominate your entire patio like the massive 36-inch versions. Setting it up was straightforward, and the classic Blackstone styling with the attached hood looks fantastic in any backyard setting. The main selling point of this specific model is the Omnivore griddle plate, which Blackstone claims is designed to heat up faster, maintain heat better, and use significantly less propane. In my testing, I actually found these claims to be mostly true. The plate has a different underside design that prevents heat from escaping the burner boxes quickly, which means it reaches high temperatures faster even on windy days. I was able to get a fantastic sear on steaks and fajita meat without having to crank the burners to absolute maximum, which definitely saved me a trip to the hardware store for propane refills. However, despite the improved plate technology, this griddle is held back by its 2-burner configuration. On a 28-inch surface, having only 2 burners means the heat has to stretch quite far horizontally. While the Omnivore plate does a lot to mitigate cold spots, I still found significant temperature variations at the far left and right edges of the griddle. When I was cooking a massive breakfast spread, the bacon right over the H-burners cooked incredibly fast, while the hash browns pushed to the edges were barely browning. 3. Blackstone Adventure Ready. Let me just say, if there is one griddle on this list that absolutely exceeded my expectations during testing, it is this one. I packed this unit up in the back of my truck and took it on a weekend camping trip to see how it handled the great outdoors. Running off a simple, small 1-pound propane cylinder, this little powerhouse transformed our campsite meals from basic hot dogs on a stick to gourmet diner-style breakfast in the middle of the woods. Despite its compact, travel-friendly size, the 361 square inches of cooking space is surprisingly accommodating. I was able to comfortably cook a full package of bacon, 6 eggs, and a pile of pancakes simultaneously without feeling like I was running out of room. The dual H-style burners perform exceptionally well on this smaller footprint, because the 2 burners are concentrated under a 22-inch surface rather than stretched across 28 inches. The heat distribution is incredibly even, and it gets roaring hot in a matter of minutes. The hardcover included with this model is a brilliant touch for the traveling chef. Unlike a hinged hood that adds unnecessary bulk and weight, the hardcover lifts completely off while you are cooking and sits securely over the griddle top when you are done. It was perfect for keeping pine needles, dirt, and curious camp critters off my freshly seasoned cooking surface overnight. While you do have to find a place to set the cover down while cooking, its low profile makes it easy to stash out of the way. 2. Blackstone Culinary. When I set this model up on my deck, I was immediately struck by how premium it looks and feels. The Culinary series features a distinct, elevated design language, and the custom X-frame cart is an absolute showstopper. It completely eliminates the cheap, folding table aesthetic that plagues many portable stands, replacing it with a sturdy, architectural base that looks like a high-end piece of patio furniture. The beauty of the X-frame design is that it offers the perfect hybrid between a permanent backyard fixture and a portable powerhouse. During my testing, I found the cart to be incredibly stable. I could chop steak for Philly cheesesteaks and aggressively scrape the griddle plate without the cart swaying or wobbling in the slightest. Yet, when I needed to clear space on my deck, the frame collapsed smoothly and easily, allowing me to wheel the entire unit into my garage for storage. Performance-wise, this griddle is an absolute dream. It features the same concentrated 2-burner setup that I loved on the Adventure Ready model, meaning the heat is intense even, and consistent across the entire cold-rolled steel surface. Because it includes a fully integrated, hinged hood rather than a removable cover, I was able to easily trap heat to melt thick slices of cheddar on my burgers or steamed broccoli with just a quick splash of water. The hood is heavily constructed and operates on smooth hinges, feeling far more premium than the hood on the 28-inch model. The front access and the culinary styling really elevate the user experience. The knobs feel weighted and precise, giving you excellent microcontrol over the flame height. There is an undeniable joy in standing in front of this machine. It feels like a professional cooking station. 1. Blackstone 36 Original Omnivore. Unboxing and assembling this behemoth was a project, but the moment I fired up those 4 independent burners, I knew this was the ultimate flat top experience. This isn't just a grill, it is an absolute culinary command center that completely changes how you prep, cook, and entertain outdoors. The integration of the Omnivore griddle plate on this massive 36-inch 4-burner setup is pure magic. On a surface this large, wind and heat loss used to be significant issues, but the Omnivore plate's heat retention completely solves them. I hosted a backyard party during my testing phase and cooked 3 dozen smash burgers simultaneously. Not only did the plate maintain a blistering hot temperature across the entire surface, but the crust on the burgers on the far edges was identical to the one's dead center. The evenness of the heat distribution on this specific model is the best I have ever seen from Blackstone. Having 4 distinct burners gives you the ultimate power of zone cooking. I could have burner 1 screaming hot for searing steaks, burner 2 on medium for sauteing mushrooms and onions, burner 3 on low for toasting buns, and burner 4 completely off to act as a warming zone. This level of control means you can orchestrate incredibly complex meals all at once without ever having to run back inside to use your indoor stove. It is a profoundly liberating way to cook. What truly pushes this specific model into the #1 spot is the newly designed cart featuring extendable side shelves and the accessory rail system. In the past, managing your spatulas, scraper, oil bottles, water bottles, and paper towels was a chaotic juggling act.